Hello everyone, welcome here. This lecture I'm going to show you how design mobile dashboard layouts. So it's a see, till now you have learned how to create a dashboard great way. So with this dashboard only, just I'm trying to changing the layout only. I'm not doing a master skills here much more. For this what you need to do here, a very simple way, either you have to go to view at the home page, view. So here when you click the view, here the direct point mobile layout it is showing. Design your reports for mobile devices. This is a design also. You want to make it a custom changes in your mobile layout. You can do it your custom changes. So when you click this icon at a ribbon, see the mobile layout canvas is now interactive. Okay. And see here the Power BI visualization like a AI tool, like a BI tool is supporting you to auto create very quickly. If you want to make it mobile layout, you just simply click on here. This is the dashboard, all the parts are showing here. See, beautiful, right? Auto create, if you click at the same time, when I click like a view and mobile layout, in the bottom also you may observe here it is a desktop layout, and in the canvas below there is a mobile layout for view. So here also you can click to get quickly. Now when you click auto create, see my mobile, see here is a mobile output, the card is created, and the drop down sum of units, slicer, revenue by region, product sold. Scrolling down, if you want to add more items also you can add here in this particular mobile layout. And also if you want to make it as like a up and down, select the card and drag it down or drag it up quickly for the quick access. Got it? So in the using this Power BI, the changing and switching and designing of layouts, how super easy, how super easy. And if you want to make it like any of a visibility of themes or colors, you can try to change to apply. In the next lecture I'll show you how beautifully we can make it in the like upcoming lecture. At the same time, if you want to do some corrections or any modifications in selected item for the colors and any, see the callout value, if you want to make it the callout value, and generalization, the titles, effects, if you want to change the background effect, if you want to add some in a background area in the mobile layout. These are the applicable only for the mobile layout only, it is saying. No worry about it. So here the beautification, how you require to see the visualization and visual borders. If you want any borders you need, you can apply the shadow effect, right? Clear changes, if any you don't want to clear these changes to be applied, means clear changes, automatically it will be applicable to remove all the things. So I hope you understand very clearly to applying of these changes in your apps, like a mobile apps, like making a more beautification your reports. You are going to learning like viewing reports in mobile devices. So how super easily we can create a reports in mobile. Let's see, in a desktop layout view, I'm just going to a table view. So here it is in a report view. What I have to trying to doing one more page I'm adding here. For this I'm trying to creating like the table visualization. Yeah, table I have added. Beautiful. This table, the data, the product, from the table data, the product and the region wise, and one more like a salesperson and a revenue parts I have shared. Beautiful. Here I have added a report data for this table. Yeah, this table I have added here in the canvas. Beautiful. How like if I want to see in this particular report in my like the visualization in mobile view, if I want to do like some corrections like color coding, any of the style present, default it is border header. If I want simple, directly I'm just trying to changing flashy rows. What the type of information you require, you just try to apply over here. Flashy rows, let it be. Okay, the total it's automatically came. Now the same report if I want to see in our mobile device, what I will do, simply in the bottom go to the mobile layout. So auto create, done. My report, like a product region, salesperson, revenue, the report is here, it is a created itself. So if you want any changes you may apply in this particular, select the report and do the changes like a persistent of flashy rolls is there, grid is there, and values if I want to change. See, the color column combinations are so many information, so much of information is available. So if I want to make it like titles in a color which is like maybe some beautiful color, which color you feel, and users will see in the easiest way, the better colors you choose and apply. The black will reflects very clearly. So strongly remember, either 1 or 2 colors only maximum you have to use in your reports to create a best layout. So layouts adjustments are done here. So once the completed the layouts design, all you have to take the reports, save it or publish, whatever it you want to apply. And also these themes also will applicable with the background, these colorful shades, and these also you can directly you can apply the color changes. See how it is, which color you want quickly. These are the quick quick decision making and quick selections of the reports. So I hope you enjoyed these sessions, viewing reports on mobile devices and publishing. So try to apply with more data and multiple reports, different type of category of reports. If you prepared, then you will get a great hands-on experience in Power BI. So without coding, you just learn to apply Power BI techniques easily. See you. Thanking you.